Welcome to Osaka Games, and this is Retro Cartoon Edition, where we're going to be playing games based on retro cartoons from your childhood. So let's get into it and see what today's episode is. The Nerdgasm Variety Show proudly presents I Suck at Games with your host, me, Von Geen, and this is the retro cartoon that most people are expecting. This is DuckTales. One of the greatest cartoons of our childhood, one of the greatest Nintendo games of our childhood, and I suck at it. I'm just flat out. I'm playing it on easy. I don't give a shit. I'm completely awful with this game. So, A jumps. I don't have my cane? I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, there we go. There we go. I gotta hold down B. This is the trick to this game. You just bounce everywhere, alright? Try to, at least. If you're really good at this game, you can just bounce. I'm gonna try this. Collect a bunch of jewels. You don't need jewels, but you do. God damn it. I thought I could jump on top of that flower, and I can't. I don't know where I'm supposed to go, so we're just going. We're just going. You like kind of just fall. There we go. There we go. I have never beat this game. I've never been close to beating this game. So don't expect anything too much here. To be honest, this is some of the best I've played this game, so I've played this with game states, played it all kinds of different ways, and I'm still awful at this game. And I just need to not play it, but I figured I can't do a retro cartoon without playing DuckTales. It's such an iconic cartoon, you know? Alright, go down and get that, go back up. Okay, I need on this one. I'm not even going after that one. You gotta do precision jumping here. Alright, come on, dude. Whoa, what the fuck, man? You just take me in a hostile area. This is actually the best I've ever played this game. I'm just gonna go out and say that shit right now. I've gotten to bosses, but see, look, I had to open my fucking mouth. I had to open my mouth. I was doing good, I said. Look at me go here. I know you can go down below and get more treasures and shit. I don't give a fuck. I'm trying to survive. You motherfucking bee. I think my treasure's still there. I think. You see how like the treasure chests aren't there? The ones I got aren't there. Motherfucker. Fucking, oh god, I almost I don't know why I stopped bouncing there. I hit the fucking thing. I did so good the first time through that. So you gotta hold down. It's trickier than you think. You have to hold down. If you don't hold B and down, you won't keep jumping. And if you don't keep jumping like that, I was expecting to hit the B. I didn't. Maybe you don't have to hold down. I don't fucking know. God damn it, Scrooge. Stop being a bitch. Now all you have to do is hold B, but if you get hit by anything, you're fucking done. So the bees flying up here are a real pain in the fucking ass. There's people that can speedrun this. There's people that beat this once a year. Not me. Not me at all. That was easy, and I could beat that level. Let's go to the moon. Just to hear the fucking song. This is literally the greatest song ever written for a video game. Oh. That's how you get those, okay. This is literally, has been voted, I think, as one of the greatest tunes of all time. So, I don't say that lightly. I mean that. It's literally one of the greatest. One of the greatest tunes you can hear on the Nintendo. So you can hit these too. There we go. Hit these motherfuckers. Bounce up here. Now maybe we can beat the moon. I don't think I ever beat the moon. To be honest, I don't think I beat too many. I've made it to the boss of Transylvania. If that makes sense. I don't remember what her name is. Madam something. I'll be honest, I don't even know where to go in this one. I couldn't tell you where to fucking go in the Transylvania one. I know that there's a trick to get to her really, really quick. And that's how I did it before. Oh, we found the big treasure. There we go. Get the ice cream, or is it a diamond? I don't fucking know. Back to hippity hoppity. Ooh. Okay, there's a key for the UFO. Okay, we can't go that way either. Okay. Need a key. Need a key. Anyone know where the key is? If you know where the key is, put it down in the comments for me. It won't help. But at least I know some of you know what the fuck you're doing. I'm guessing the key is back at the beginning. Well, I had to die. Fuck it. I have one more life. Let's try it one more time. We got decently far there. I wouldn't say we did good. I would say we did better than we did before. For me, alright, well that was, oh, I have one more? Okay. That was pretty awful, if I do say so myself. And then I fucking land weird and don't get my bounce. I'm gonna go over here and see what's here, because maybe the key's over here. My niece, I don't remember her name. I know Huey, Dewey, and Louie, but I don't remember her name. Okay, well there's another one. Okay, so I need to, oh my god, man. Oh my god, I died. Alright, that was DuckTales. I'm fucking horrible at it. I'm sure you guys can comment down below, laugh at me, I don't give a shit. I suck at games, it's the name of the show, and this is actually one of the games I suck at the most for some reason. Don't ask me, I don't know why. But if you guys like this, do hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the video down here and over there. Check out nerdgasmvarietyshow.com for all of our t-shirts, hats, and other merch. Come back next week and see what retro cartoon we get into next. And as always, guys, peace.